Gratitude greetings. Pratima Padmanabha is a beautiful soul. She is helping women master emotions. She uses mindfulness, meditation, law of attraction, and so many more beautiful modalities. She is a growth mindset enthusiast. She's a certified life coach, and she's doing amazing job spreading smiles on social media through YouTube, Instagram, and much more. Welcome, Pratima.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
It has to. I'm feeling nice. You're giving me so much respect for my hair. You see, gray hair. Thank.
Yeah.
What is the secret of your smile?
Smile, it's happiness, just being mindful and being in the present moment. I'm here now. That's why.
How to be in the present? How to be happy?
Yes, we have practiced being getting angry. All those we have learned to learn. I have learned how to write ABCD. We have practiced. No? That's how we have to practice to be happy, to be always smiling, to spread that happiness. It's just that how you practice each and every day. So that's how you bring that positivity into your life.
Okay, please share it with us one practice.
Sure, sir. Share. Come again, sir.
Please share with us one practice,
One
one habit,
practice.
one tip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Every day I do meditation. Okay. Every day that meditation, I'll sit with myself. With myself, I see what's going on inside me, my thoughts, my feelings, my whatever the energy that I'm feeling right now. So that brings me an awareness of who I am, what I want, what's my weaknesses, what my strengths. All this will I'll just come to know who I am. Okay, and I deeply go into myself and search what's my true self. So all these emotions, thoughts, and all just fleeting. It comes and goes. But the true self, that who we are, is just love, compassion, kindness, abundance, prosperity. Amazing soul we have got. That thing you have to realize yourself each and day, sitting alone and spending time with yourself, you will come to know the true self. The true self is abundance, the love, that who you are. That's how we are designed to, right? So this is the practice I do every day, being doing meditation and being mindful also while eating, while speaking, where whatever I do, any activities, while cooking, I'll be present. I'll be present. I'll be conscious about my own breathing. I'll connect my mind and body. So that's how I come to know what exactly I'm going through. So each and every day, if I keep on doing this, I'll bring back that alignment to myself, and what my thoughts, behavior, and feeling, I'll get into that alignment, and I'll start doing that activity. So that's how you have to do. That's bringing that alignment into your life.
Okay. You are an awesome teacher. You speak like
Thank you.
an enlightened one. At this young age, how did you gain this wisdom?
Because I was, as like everyone, I was also suffering. I was also finding something greater than that. I want to know what's behind all this. Why is this suffering? Why is this thinking, go through so many thoughts, overthinking, and all that resistance, limiting beliefs that was pulling me back to uh, no, to do what I really want to do. What I really want to do, I wasn't doing it my fullest potential, because my resistance, nothing can stop you except your mind. That mind always stops you doing what you really want. My mind, my limiting beliefs, my resistance, my beliefs, all these were pulling me back. So I just wanted to know the truth behind it. What is really happening to me? what I want. So all these questions just led me inside world. So I just looked in. Before, I used to think about that happiness, love, everything I will get from the outside world. I was searching whatever the questions I had in my mind, the doubts, I was looking outside in the outside world to get that appreciation, validation, just thinking of like I can get what I want from the outside. But the real truth is, you whatever you want, you get it from yourself. The answer is inside you. You are amazing. Once you get to know about yourself, then you search what you want, really want. So then you come to know all this limiting beliefs, limiting mindset. uh, you hold yourself back. Just release it, accept who you are, let it all go, what it's stuck inside you, the emotions or thoughts. It's what I'm saying, it's easy to hear, but it's not that much easy. You have to work on it each and every day. It looks simple, but it's not easy.
Lord Krishna, Bhagavad Gita flows
Yeah.
through you. How is that possible? Where did you learn all this? Books,
I
courses,
yeah, reading
guru,
books.
satsang?
Yeah, I used to do yoga meditation from 10 years. From 10 years down the line, like I was, yeah, I was like suffering mentally and physically also. So I wanted to come out of all this. I want to lead a happy and peaceful life. So I started doing yoga, meditations. All those techniques I have used to get into myself. So yes, that practice, that dedication helped me to know what I really am.
I'm feeling very blessed and rich to sit in front of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank
Great.
you.
So, your three happiest moments.
My three happy and happiest moments when I sit in my meditation. That's the peaceful place to be in. That's the happiest moment I feel. And when I'm the same feeling, that same vibration, if I carry with my family, being with my family, that gives me so much happiness. And when I am serving people and I'm helping them to know their own true self, to like helping them, guiding them to get better and to become the better version of themselves, that gives me so much happiness. So these are all the happy moments: knowing myself and being with my family and helping people. These are my happiest moments.
Very inspiring, very simple, very beautiful, and you create it every day. You create it, you recreate it.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
if you were to tell me, Sunny, that day, that year, I was happy, but you gave me all the three examples which you recreate every day, which is a choice, which is a decision, which is a
Yes.
habit, which is an
Yes.
attitude. So I'm feeling richer now, from rich to richer. It's three one word answers. Life in one word.
Experience. Every day it's an
Meditation in
experience.
one word.
Calm, peace,
Mindfulness in one word.
here and now.
Happiness in one word.
Being,
Love in one word.
dedication,
Coaching in one word.
helping,
Pratima in one word.
enlightened.
Thank you for enlightening all of us. With
Thank
your
you. Thank
smile,
you.
with your thoughts, with your walking the talk. And I wish you all the best for all your beautiful endeavors that you do every day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.